Welcome guys, in today's video we will be showing you how to perform a factory reset on your MacBook. This can be useful if you want to sell it or if, over the years, it has continually gotten slower and you want it to wipe everything that's on the hard drive. Once it is shut down, hold down Command R and boot it up. Keep holding them while it is booting until you see the loading bar. After waiting a couple of seconds, you will see a window from which you can select the language. Next, you have 4 options, of which you need to choose the Disk Utility option, which is the last one you can choose from. Next, click on Macintosh HD, choose the APFS format and erase it in order to wipe the drive. This takes a couple of moments, and when it's done you will see the notification that the erasing process is complete. If there are multiple hard drives showing up in Disk Utility, make sure to erase all of them like we do here. Once you get the notification that it's done, click on Finish, close the window by pressing X and select Reinstall MacOs, which is the second option. Just click on the arrow and the process will start on its own. You then have to accept Apple's terms and conditions and select a hard drive on which it should be installed on. In this case, we chose Macintosh HD, but you can also install it onto an external hard drive if one is plugged in. If you decide to do this, make sure it is formatted to APFS. Now, it is just a matter of time until macOS is installed again. The time it takes varies depending on how fast your internet is, so be patient and also don't worry when your Mac reboots, because that is also completely normal. Hello. Once macOS is fully installed, a window pops up again and your MacBook is fully reset and ready to be sold or set up again. If you set it up for yourself, connect it to the internet, agree to the terms and conditions again, and now you have the option whether to set it up from a Time Machine backup or as a new Mac. If you've made it this far into the video, thank you very much for watching. If you have anything to add, leave a comment below. See you guys in the next one.